Two new dogs in our home. We have a pure Greek beagle. This is Peter. And we have Marcy here. Hi, Marcy. Look at how beautiful you are. You like your little... Ooh. Come on. Want to meet Wesley? It's the first time letting down the room to meet my son. And I want to see how they're like with children. Listen to that, guys. Anyway, pause.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't play crazy. You know what you switch? This is our new dog, the black one. That's Marcy. Hey, Marcy. Oh. Come on, belly rubbing. She wants belly rubbing. Oh, cute. Hey, is it belly rubbing time? First time we're meeting Marcy. So wonderful. Is it belly rubbing time? Oh, it's belly rubbing time. It's belly rubbing time. Oh, how cute. It's belly rubbing time, huh?
Your teeth is so small.
Yeah, it's wide. She's still very young. Are you gonna help mommy find her a loving home? Yeah, she's so cute, huh? Can we have a kiss here? Oh, kiss is good, huh? Wow, what a good girl. What a wonderful girl. So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. What a good girl. Is that funny?